What up, fam? It's your boy G Rich. Now today I got one for you. I'm gonna do some fried cabbage with some chicken in it. Yes, sir. You heard it. There's the bacon I'm gonna use for the cabbage. There's the pan or wok I'm gonna use for the cabbage also. These are the ingredients I'm gonna put on my chicken. Tropical Saison, the Sunshine by Tabitha Brown. A little kosher salt. There's some minced garlic, chopped garlic I got there. There is a pan right there with a little olive oil in the bottom of it. Because the first thing I'm going to do is sear the chicken first. There's the boneless, skinless chicken breast. I'm also going to put some of the spread in these. It's a low cholesterol spread right here, fam. I'm going to put in to mix with the olive oil I got there. That's for the chicken. Okay. And there's some black pepper and paprika that I'm going to add to the chicken season that I come up with right now. Okay, so I'm going to combine the seasons in this right here. I'm going to spread it all over the chicken and mix it up. Then I'm going to sear the chicken in this pan. I'm going to sit the chicken to the side over here. Yes, sir. And then I'm going to take the wok and add the bacon to it. I'm going to dry the wok out. Add the bacon to it because, you know, the bacon makes its own grease. And then I'm going to remove the cooked bacon from the pan. I'm going to leave the bacon oil inside the wok. Then I'm going to drop the cabbage in there. And we're going to season that up a little bit. Then we're going to cut, while we cooking the cabbage, we're going to cut the chicken up. And then we're going to add the chicken to the cabbage. And we're going to mix it up real good. Let it simmer. Yes, sir. And it's going to be ready to go. A thing of beauty. So sit back and enjoy. All right? So hold on tight. I'll be right back. Let's get started. So right here I got the chicken. So I'm going to do, I'm just going to make my own little concoction here. Let's see. That should be good. It's about a tablespoon. You got some of this tropical saison. Okay. And some of that Tabitha Brown Sunshine. Yes, sir. Too much. Mix this up. As you see, the butter is melting. I'm going to put a little paprika on that. Just a little bit. I ain't going to put no black pepper in. I'm going to put the black pepper in the cabbage. Okay? When you just about use the same amount of seasoning in the cabbage. Not too much, because I don't need that much. Okay, you got the seasoning right here. I'm going to sprinkle it in here. Make sure it gets good and coated. As you see, it don't simmer down. That means the grease is the pan is getting pretty hot. Okay. All right. On the good and seasoned. Go from the bowl straight into the pan. Yeah, boy, I got one for you. Okay. If you don't like to use oil or butter, you use whatever you like to use. If you want to try this here, use whatever you like to use. Because I know a lot of people out there like to be as healthy as possible. Do what you do. Okay? All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and take these out. Set these to the side. Now I'm going to cut these up. And then we'll be back. Gonna go ahead and cut these up, and then we'll be back with the cabbage. All right. As you can see, I'm adding the bacon to the wok. You don't need to put extra oil or nothing in this bacon. You already know that. It makes its own oil and grease. Okay. As you can see, I cut the meat up. I'm going to set this over here. Yes, sir. Smelling good already. Yes, sir. Ooh, wait, look at that. Look at that bacon oil it created. Look at that, family. Okay. We're going to take these out. Set this to the side. Look at that, huh? I'm going to set this over here out the way. You see it. All right, now we're going in. Okay, so we're going to sprinkle a little kosher salt in there. Some of that tropical Saison. Another good bit of that in there. Remember, you don't have to put too much salt because the chicken got a good amount of seasoning on it. And a little black pepper. And, okay. Oh, fam, that's smelling good. Stick with you, boy. Stick with me. Ooh, wee. Okay. Okay, we're going to turn this down. 1 tablespoon of cut chopped or minced garlic. Oh man, that's a thing of beauty. Look at the coloration on that. Look at that, family. That's definitely method to my madness. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and cover that up and let that cook on low for a little bit. Then we're gonna come back and add the chicken. Hold on tight. I'll be right back. All right, this chicken should be halfway. Yeah, it's halfway through. Look at that. Oh wow, fam. Come on now. Halfway through. Now we're gonna go add this chicken. Ooh-wee. That's a meal fit for a king, queen, sons, kids, princess, court jester. Look at that, look at that. Now that's a thing of beauty, family. You see how this coming together? That's a one-hitter quitter pot. Might not have no starch in it. We're going to give up on the starch today. How about that? So we're we're gonna let that, we're gonna keep stirring throughout. We're gonna let that simmer the rest of it. That's the thing of beauty. I'll be back. All right, fam, here we go. As you can see, that is definitely a thing of beauty. OMG. Look at that. Cooked through and through. Look at the flavor. Yes, sir. You got the fried cabbage and chicken mixed together. Yes, sir. With a little bacon pieces in it right there. But look at that, family. When you start to stumble over your words, boy, that's when you're hungry and your mouth get the water. Yes, sir. Ooh, wee. Man, stick with your boy. Hold on tight. I'll be right back. Here's my finished plate. O-M to the G. We're going in. Look, you see it. Look at that, look at that, look at there. Oh, fam. I'm going to spin this plate around. Got your Brussels sprouts and everything in there. You know what? I love y'all to life. Jerry Job. Here's another one. In your mind. Bye, family. See you next time.